Boom. Got me long back up too.
Oh man, I again didn't manage my target right.
Are you serious? You're not? Oh, I'm still in this sucker. I, I hope you guys. Man, this is like basic 101 trading here.
I keep putting the time, looking to put the time down that I got into the trade, and turn around, and my target's gone. Oh, poor Brian, he's making money. Hold on a second. How was that 12? Oh, it came back and got my stop. Never
Oh,
mind.
I did it in the same damn account. Oh, you moron. Oh well. That one's definitely done for the day. I meant to do that in another account. Oh well. Oh, okay. Well, now I'm going to get my $2,000.
On the long?
Hmm. I told you it's a classic setup, perfect setup on
Yeah,
the
no, I just
Incubator.
didn't
That is
manage my
just a
trade
freaking.
properly.
As soon as that first candle came in, you're long. That was
What in the world? I don't know. Yeah, just mismanagement of the trade. That's all there is to it.
yeah, that's weird for you. Two mismanagements.
Oh, I twice now I've looked over to write the time down and it
Wait,
pops up
wait,
there as my
wait,
target
wait.
right away.
What did he do? Pull the Tom.
Two twice in a row? No, 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 no.
Double Tommed it.
Oh no. Oh, stop cussing at
Good God.
me. Oh, twice in a row up all the time. All
There
right,
have been two
Tom.
Toms pulled.
I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna have to come back to
Thanks
your
a lot,
basement.
Tom.
I'm gonna have to come back to your basement and spend a week with you now and let you train me.
Yep, that's right, PBR. Absolute classic setup. Doesn't get any better than that.
Although I'd come back to Tom's house anytime. Go back and hang out with Tom anytime.
Well, let's trade
All
something
right,
else.
short this or no?
Switch some accounts. I
It
don't know.
looks
I'm
like
in the
an
middle of
ES is setting up.
no,
Hey,
not yet.
that now hold on a second. Check out the MGC. It might have a little on the small tick chart, maybe a little W forming, and we're getting down close to 89 and the quasi trend line.
So what are you saying? Short or let it bounce off this quasi trend line?
I think we look for a possible long somewhere down here.
Okay, I like that a little bit better. So yeah,
Yeah. Well, duh. I think we
okay
look for
with
a
that.
possible long. All right. So I'm starting to get a little bit more interested in this ES short from this area here. I mean, we've had shorts come from here all morning, and if it stays down, it's not going to stay down. That's a long. Are you still in the long?
I am.
Oh,
I'm gonna ride it all the way back up to the top.
I'm walking
And
away for a second. That's two in a
the
row.
only problem I made
That's
was I did it
two
in
in
the
a
same day,
row.
which sucks. But oh well, whatever.
Two in a row for me. Hey, at least I'm doing it. And at least I hit hard target, so there's no pullback against the more pullback against the. Who else is? I tell you, who else is a good cook? Tom's a good cook. His food's good. He make a good food.
He maketh the good
He make a good
foodeth.
food. That's the first thing his neighbor said after I got to his house. I was
Well,
like,
he
he's like,
cooked.
oh, you're staying with Tom. He's like, oh, he cooks good. That's the first thing his neighbor said to me. I was like, okay,
Well,
great,
good
thank you.
food, man. Nothing like good food. That is.
That was the very first thing his neighbor said, and you gotta kind of like that. So if your neighbors, the first thing they say is, "Oh yeah, he's got good food." Okay, in good hands here, because Daddy like his food. Oh, I want to press the buy button. I'm gonna be this one. I'm gonna walk away and be right back.
Okay. Keep on going up, people. Come on. All the way to the top up there. Give me a catch the run all the way down, all the way back up. PBR, you still in it? Nice. We might be in the area where we want to tighten up some. Actually setting up for a short here. Smaller tick chart was a short already. Flat.
I just found out that my niece saved up
Oh,
enough money to buy a $35,000 Lexus
dang.
at 19 years old.
Wow. That's impressive.
She worked from 16 to 19 and saved every dime. I was like, wow, great job.
That's pretty darn impressive.
I'm glad somebody in the family's got it figured out. Everybody else is a freaking mess. No, I got two nieces that are really very good, stable people.
Wait a minute. I know one person in your family that's definitely doing good.
What'd you say?
I said, I know one person in your family that's definitely doing good.
My
And she should
wife?
run for president. And she should run for president. Well, yeah, your wife's doing good too.
Oh, Dolly.
Dolly,
Yeah, she's not doing bad.
she kind of made it a
She
little
won't
bit.
talk to me now though.
You won't?
You know why?
Oh, okay, yeah, I guess so.
Nope. I've been blacklisted.
You are the black sheep of the family now.
I'm cool with that. My ultimate goal is to make a bunch of money and disappear from public anyway.
There you go.
Everybody knows that. That's been my goal for years. One LaCroix down, one water down, one coffee down. The only question now is how long till
Yeah,
Mr. John calls?
that's the problem.
When does
I
that
drink,
guy call, Mr. John?
I drink a complete ounce of water and first thing in the morning, and then about 2 cups of coffee, and doesn't take long before the plumbing starts working. I'm on the blacklist of too many family. Yeah, I bet you are, PBR. Probably not just family members. They probably got a perk for your post after that.
Oh, I had a freaking nightmare last night, Paul. I got to tell you about this.
What is it?
What'd you say?
I said, what were you? Did you have a poster of yourself? That's a perk.
You're breaking up. I can't hear. I'm on the blacklist. Too many family. Oh yeah, no, yeah, PBR.
Right, well,
I like big tick charts. I can't hear. I can't like it. For some reason, you're breaking up. Say something now.
say something. That, that, that,
Oh no. Could be your internet. Could be mine. We don't know. I can only hear. Is it just me, or can you guys only hear like every other word he's saying?
clear ammo.
No, but I can. All I can hear. All I heard was clear am I. Okay, Paul is breaking up. Yeah, they're working on his internet. He's got no. They're about to pull his internet. Lieutenant Dan, you got no legs. No, but no, we cannot hear you, Paul.
Ugh,
Ugh.
love my morning. And I've still managed to be very green. Even with a little bit
I
of
know it's
wind.
crazy, right? Oh, I keep forgetting to have a chat open.
All right. Any better now? Can you guys hear me? Am I
Yes.
still breaking?
There's a breakout long on RTY. I actually was thinking about that earlier at this exact level. Now we can't hear you again. All right. 6E long, yay or nay? Seems like a short. GC long in the micros, yay or nay? Seems like that one would make sense, right?
I said MGC long. I don't know if you heard me.
Oh. Let me switch to an account to do it.
But I already have the target off though. So
Huh? What?
I'll be a little late on the MGC long.
I got faith in it.
Am I still fading out or do you guys hear me
No,
better
I can
now?
hear you now.
Okay. I just switched the
Can you hear
port
me
on the
now?
flat.
Can you hear
Can
me
you
now?
hear me now?
The let's see here.
What? Explain to me how.
Ooey.
Huh?
Do what?
What was that?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Who?
Oh,
Who is that?
uh,
Who dis?
that was me telling the dog no. He was scratching on the door. My apologies. Let me find my mic.
Oh, that's Tom.
Way to go, Tom. I was gonna say. First, I was like, "Who is that?"
I'm gonna kick Tom out of here. I was
Somebody
like, who
boot that
is
man
that?
out.
Not used to Tom being
Somebody
in
hijacked our channel. What's up?
here.
Well, especially in with dog commands too. Sorry
Target
about that,
off
guys.
on the M&Q long. I got that one. Let me switch this. Let me
AMN
see which count.
MGC long or MNQ long?
I mean MG. Okay, bro.
Okay. I was gonna say, well,
MGC.
yeah. If I've had targets off for a little bit on that one.
I know, but let me put this on the same account and switch that to MGC. That's the wrong account. Which account am I in? Oh, that one. Okay. There's MGC long. Nice little trade there. Breakout longs on the long side, but all right, Paul. I think we taken if this pushes back up on the NQ because we've broken this level like twice on the ES that we were looking at this morning on the long side. If it breaks at 900 again, and we get the same structure, we do the same thing, right? We look for the breakout long. It's in the plan today, right?
I'm looking. Give me a second.
Nothing changed. If it gets back up there,
Yeah,
breakout
but
long
don't you
should
want
be.
it to go up? Don't you want it to go a little higher though now?
Well, if it sets up a similar structure, I'm not going to try. I would just put a buy stop above it. I mean, that's
Yeah, yeah,
above
yeah. I'll do that.
yesterday.
I'll
You
do
see
that.
this?
I know what you're saying.
Look at what
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
looking
I
at.
know. I know what you're saying. I get it. I get it.
That's a
I'm not
that
that
seems
slow.
it seems like a legit trade.
No, but
The
what you
only thing
said.
above it is the pivot, but that's
But to be clear, the only way I would take that is if it sets up a similar structure.
right, right. No, agreed, 100%.
Just make sure we're talking about the same thing.
Okay, let me. This time, I'm not gonna let something take my target. I'm gonna write my time down that I'm in the trade. Okay.
Is there a way to make this screen bigger? There's got to be a way to make it. Oh, pop it out. Let's see if that works. Full screen. Yeah, that works. A little better.
Though I got some really good. I can do a little voiceover and be like, "Hey, look, we get targets all the time. Look at this. Look at this trade.
Sometimes we get them too quick.
Just call me Target Tom. Target Tom.
Pull the Tom target.
There you go. It's a Tom target. I
Pull the
like it.
Tom means
I
if
like it. There's a
you
Tom
choked your train out, you pull the Tom target means you couldn't move it out of the way fast enough.
There we go.
Either way, you're out of the
All
trade too
right.
quick.
That we have the official name now, Tom. It's a Tom target. That's got to be it.
I'm glad Tom's got thick skin because boy, do we
Ah, he's a
abuse him.
great dude. Tom is a. If you ever meet Tom, he is an amazing person. I love Tom. He's awesome. Had a great time. Spent some. Just a good dude all around. Just a good guy.
Yeah, if you're gonna hang around us, you got to have a thick skin because
Tom's a
there's
good dude.
nothing
Tom's a
PC
really good
about
dude.
us.
I got nothing. I can. There's nothing bad I can say about Tom.
Look at that little GC working out.
I know, right? We did getting us a whole 80, $100 on
80
it.
bucks, $100.
I mean,
That was one of those, honestly, where I got in.
possibly
I
would
got
have
in with
looked.
enough. I got in off the VWAP, so I could have got in a mini because it would have been a small risk.
Yeah,
We were going
yeah.
back to what we were
I
talking
was
about
actually going to
yesterday.
say that. I was actually going to go over that because that was like '01, and you're at 90. Oh wait, no, that's
I got
in.
in.
I have to look at the GC chart, not the MGC. Um, I pulled it up under that wick too. That other wick that came down here. Let's see. It probably should be a tick or two tighter because they're gonna come get me. They're gonna come get me. We'll go a tick tighter. 10.2. I should. I mean, it's MGC. We should just leave it plenty of breathing room, right?
Yes, yeah. I mean,
Where's your stop?
well, I mean, my stop's way back at the right. My stop's at the line at the whatever the trend line. So I'm at 03, 9, 04.
What?
I'm just behind the line.
Oh well, you got a great fill price, so I don't.
Yeah, but I got a much better fill price. Yeah. I mean, real stop
All
has
right,
to
all right.
be
Hold on. Check.
08,
Just
08
wait.
1.
Yeah, that'd be
That's real stop.
Oh wait.
If you're
Yeah,
in it,
whatever. Oh
when
wait,
you're about to
4,
get
8
taken out of.
1's at low. Yeah, wait, 5 is a real stop.
Come on down. Come on down. Give me a long. That's what I want on the NQ.
Besides exits. Oh, but it's better. Tom, I gotta tell you, I had a guy. His name was Willie, and we called him Two Tick Willie years ago. At least that's better than that, you know. You get into good trades, you just kill them quickly. Two Tick Willie, never forget that guy.
I remember that. Two Tick Willie.
Two Tick Willie. Were you around when he was here?
Yeah, I was around with when
Two
you guys
Tick
were talking
Willie.
about.
Like, man, you're never gonna make money like that. You're taking a 12 tick stop and
For 2 ticks profit.
a two and a 4 tick
Brother-in-law,
profit.
my brother-in-law,
That is
rest in peace.
huh?
That's how my brother-in-law, rest in peace. That's how he was. He would like, he'd take a freaking 20 tick risk to make 4 ticks.
Oh,
Like this.
ugh.
He's like, oh, this works. This works. Yeah, until you lose.
And then you
and
eat
then
it
it's,
all up. Yeah, one
yeah.
trade takes 7 trades back.
Look at
Not
that. King
gonna
down.
do it. I was looking at that as a short on the ES, but I think the long is the better option here.
No, I wanted a pullback to go long.
Do I
I
look
need,
at
I
a
need
small
to,
tick chart long on the NQ?
that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at.
I told
No.
myself I wasn't gonna trade small tick charts today, Paul. We both
No,
talked about it.
Stay away. Stay
We
away.
said we weren't gonna trade small tick charts today.
Oh no, I'm looking for a long setup on the 2000 tick. A pullback for a long.
Oh, okay.
What I'm looking
Okay.
for.
Okay. I'm just trying to hold us accountable to the rules
No,
that we decided on.
glad you're saying that, but I'm looking for the proper setup. I want a long. I want a
Most
long
of my
on both of them,
conversation with you
actually.
yesterday was for me to get back in line with trading the profit accounts the right way instead of trading them like cash accounts.
Yeah.
Okay, so
we're at
I'm not taking
89.
6E on that account I'm up $1,000 on. I am going to move that to a different account. I don't have, let's see, got one up that's 700, one up that's 750, one up that's 1,000, 9 something. One's at 620, one's at 280, 1250. I got one that's whole 1250 up. I think that's one I'm in on the MGC. Oh, SCL Tom, if you're around, I have so. Is that in the blog?
You guys are having fun.
No, those two. I was replying to your message on the domains. You can point all of them except for those two. That's a serious thing. I was making a joke about the companies, but those two can't be pointed. That I mentioned.
All right, here comes your long setup on the.
Say when.
I mean, small tick you already have it, but I'm going to wait for the
Thank
big
you.
tick. So the big tick's going to have to be above that down candle. So above and it's right at the 30-minute orb. So I think it's a good area.
Listening, there instead of me having to type, there's in the recording in the videos folder I put. So I'm recording my session when we're not live on YouTube time, and then I upload it to YouTube under videos. So there'll be some recordings. Or unless you want me to upload them to the Google Drive folder, you tell me which one's better for you. But they're just long format recordings of the trading session, and that's not on YouTube. Because I want to be able to go back and look at these trades and take produce stuff. That's what I was going to message you, dude. Do we need a better target on the MGC? Dude, do we need
target it? I got to target it up at 29.6 ish area.
That's about where I had mine. I was at 28. That's somewhere in there.
Just looking at the
good,
NQ
right?
and NQ's going long.
Look at this. Now we're in some money here on the
I told you they'll play out every now and then.
MGC.
Nothing like a micro trade for a few $100.
Right? With no stress. No
now,
stress.
of course, somebody's going to inevitably say, well, it could be thousands if you did a mini.
Yeah, screw that.
Yeah, well, it could also be thousands a lot.
Thousands. Either or, do the blog I posted on the test site.
I will say it again. If you're trading silver and gold with minis in a 50K prop account, you're gambling. I don't care who you are or how good you are. You are gambling. Come on. Do we go long here, NQ?
But I would want to be in it before now, to be honest with you. But yeah,
Okay.
it's not a perfect setup on the big tick chart, Paul.
It's not. I have to agree with you.
I'm missing something here, Tom. I don't see on the test site. Is there a link that he gave? He gave. Oh, I see now. Never mind. Sorry about that.
Long though. All right. I gotta step away for a second. I'll be right back. Are we breaking anytime or what?
Yeah, let's take a break. I want to keep trading this while we get some volatility, and we're in
Yeah,
trade.
me too. I'm
Well, let's
game
just
for
take
trading.
a
15-minute break?
we set on this 90 something, this 29-ish target.
Yeah, that's where my target is. I'm just gonna take profit there. Well,
Well,
yeah. I mean, it could break up all the way to the top up
I
there if
don't
you
need
really
a
wanted
long
to.
break. Whoa,
Oh, never mind. Never
whoa!
mind. Never mind.
God, let's move that target away.
Never mind.
Stop up to what? Just where it came from? Just
Yep.
now?
Exactly.
19.7 is what I'm gonna do. 6 instruments.
All right. I got to step away.
Six
So what do you do?
instruments.
15 minutes? 20 minutes? How long?
You're missing 6C on the thing. I'll read through the rest of it. Nah, I just need like 5 minutes. I mean, we're gonna get a
5
good
it is.
trade. Well, here's the thing: is we're gonna get a good trade on NQ and ES here pretty soon. So I think
5
I'd rather
minutes.
be around for that. So I just need.
Be
I'm gonna
back.
go. Literally, I'm gonna go grab me I have food ready that my dear mother made for me. That I gotta walk 100 yards to get and 100 yards back.
Go get it. See you in 5.
That's about as
Later.
like 10 minutes maybe. All right. I'm gonna put up the. Let's hang the on break sign up. Although there's no YouTubers right now. It's just you guys. Okay, be back in a couple minutes. Looks good. I like it. Testing. Testingles. Testingles. Can you guys hear me? I just ripped my cord out of
Testingles.
die either. What? Sten's telling us to die? That's awful harsh.
Die either of you see who?
No, I don't ever. I gotta be honest. I don't ever go on WAP Sten.
Oh, he said did. He said did either of
I
you
know,
see the
I'm just
WAP
kidding.
message? I did
Sten,
not.
hopefully you know I joke around. I just stepped on a freaking mic cord coming out of my computer, and oh man,
I don't even
that's
know
not
where
cool.
the support chats. Oh, look here.
It
Good
does
Lord, look
support
at all
chat. There's a you can message in there. I mean,
Oh,
I gotta be honest, but Sten, that's kind of like Paul's territory anyway.
No, it's actually Gray's territory.
Gray's territory. I don't know whose duty is whose.
I don't see it.
Alright,
There's no
It's
message.
more
There's
like
no message.
Paul's territory to manage Gray to look at it. Oh yeah. Well, you're already a paid member now, right? Or you're on a trial? Oh, you started your trial through WAP. That's what it was. Yeah. Oh. Are you gonna? I understand what you're saying now. Yeah.
Oh, I see
If
what you're
you're
saying.
asking about the $50 white glove setup service, that's on WAP as well. It's just a one-time charge though.
Yeah, if you look under
I think that's what I was
products or
asking
something,
about.
it's there. Yeah. Well, if he's going to sign up as a member, that's where you go to.
Well, it'll automatically sign
Well,
you up
actually,
as
it
a
should
member.
automatically sign you up if you don't do anything.
Yeah, it should automatic. Yeah, just go to, if you go to products and services or service, what do we have? Products and subscriptions channel. We have a products and subscriptions channel somewhere.
Huh? Nice run on MGC. Yeah, it's a great run. I got out, but yeah,
Oh, it was
it's
a
still
great
going.
trade.
That was a heck of a trade. You're welcome.
We should have had a better target.
Yeah.
My target while
Yeah.
it's gone. Then gone.
It took mine too because I said it walked away, so I'm okay.
Products and subscriptions. Stan, go into products and subscriptions, and there's one that says white glove service, and Gray will spend the time that takes with you to set up your charts, get you rolling, give you some pointers, tips, answer some questions for you. One time, $50. So it's a good get started thing.
It is a good get started thing.
Well worth $50. And he'll spend the time with you that you need to get all comfy with everything, Stan, now that you've been with us for a few days. And then after that, it's just $99 a month. Do you see my reply, private message, Tim? I meant to reply to you the other day when you sent it, but I remember your dad. He's a really cool dude. Okay, cool. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh man. Well, I guess we missed it. We passed on the action. I kept saying something about that 6E long. Now I'm kind of kicking myself for not doing it. A nice little 420. Do I trade that account again? $422. We call it.
Yeah, that one you can trade unless you got something else that's like lower than trade that.
I got one set of accounts.
That one's right on the bubble.
I got one set of accounts that are like 260.
Yeah, I trade that. Anything lower than that, trade it.
And then one account by itself that's an eval that's at $12.50.
$1,250
No,
or $12.50.
$12.50.
Okay. Yeah, no, I mean, trade that or the 120, the other one, but yeah, because that
Yeah.
one's right on the bubble. Anywhere between 5 and 1,000 is
I
when
got
you
a
want
set
to
of accounts that are
switch.
right around 280 there. Never mind.
You figure if you can knock off anywhere between 5 and 1,000 a day in each one of those accounts, it won't take you long before you're
400.
not 500, 5 to 1,000.
I'm
I mean,
saying if
400.
yeah.
Oh yeah, if you could
Well,
do 400, I mean, honestly, to be perfectly honest with you, for most people, if you could just do $200 a day consistently every day, you're going to get paid.
you're
Period.
done.
There's no
Your life is done. You're over.
people
You
get
got
paid. You know, most
yeah.
people overshoot their goals anyways. I think you're better off making your money and walking away and banking it. But then I'm going to get, then there's always a person, but if the market's going to give you more, yeah,
Well,
no,
okay, we'll take it. I mean, dude,
take it.
good job. Great.
Or the flip side of that is you just have set goals, set risks, set goals, hit them, walk away.
Well,
That can
I'm a what you know is for me is I'm a take what the market gives you, but also at the same time you gotta have some reason behind that. Like, all right, take that, take this, take two examples here. The gold long, MGC long, we had a great target. That's fine with me, even though it overshoots it, right? That
yeah,
that NQ short that I mismanaged my target on, that's not taking what the market gives you. The target should have been where yours was, down as soon as you saw it running, down at like 758. So there's the two thoughts of that. Does that make sense? Like,
yep.
we might be getting. I mean, this is a level on. I need to go back to GC, but I think this is a level. There was. Let's see. We had to. Oh yeah. This is a level right here. So there, somewhere right around this area, right around there is a decent little level in GC. Hey, my quasi trend line worked
Your
for the
quasi
long,
trend line, it
for the
held.
long.
It did exactly what we said, right?
Yeah,
When
no,
it
that's
since it
perfect.
it was since it was technically broken, I wasn't looking for the breakdown, but it definitely worked as
That's
support.
exactly what we wanted to do. Create an extra point of confluence for us.
Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Just another point of confluence. I think we might be hitting the end of the day here. I don't think this is going to be much more.
No,
This is
no.
starting to slow down pretty bad.
Well, we did good. I thought we were going to see a little bit more volatility, which is why I wanted to grab something and get back, but